Hmm. Are we ready? Would like to share? Yes. Uh-huh. Okay. All the years. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Nominate, please. 10 responses. Okay. 2 for me and 10 for you people. Okay. Ashu, tomorrow I will not. I don't want to sit. Want to see you there. आप यहाँ बैठोगे या यहाँ पे बैठोगे? Getting? Understood? चलो. नवनीत. Hmm? Vividness. I'm not getting you. Take your bag. Come here on this bench. Come. अब बोलो. चलो बताओ अब. Is second. Not hearing. What? He's speaking. You are laughing. What is this? Sit. Nominate. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Sit down. Nominate and sit. Uh-huh. Okay. Second. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Sit. Please nominate somebody else. And please keep the count 10. Okay. Mm-hmm. Sorry. The little boy's vividness. Okay. Second. Very good. Mm-hmm. The sky has as much vividness as sun. Okay. Vividness is a noun, everybody. Noun. Vivid is adjective. Vividness is noun. जितने भी नेस वाले वर्ड्स है ना, these are noun. Vividness, happiness, shyness, sadness, जितने भी नेस आते हैं सारे नाउन्स हैं. याद रखना है हमेशा. उसको नाउन के जैसे ही यूज करेंगे. और ये कौन सा नाउन है? काउंट नाउन, अनकाउंट नाउन. अनकाउंट नाउन. ठीक है. इसका काउंटिंग नहीं होगा तो हमेशा वो एक ही फॉर्म में रहेगा. इसको प्लूरल आप नहीं बना सकते हो. जब हम लोग नाउन पढ़ेंगे ना एक्सप्लेन अच्छे से, तब ये वाले हम लोग कवर करेंगे. यस. ऐसा सेम किसी ने भी अब बनाया था सेंटेंस. सेम सेंटेंस somebody has made. Yours, right? The picture. सेम सेम कैसे हो गया? Did you copy? डिड यू मेक कॉपी ना? तो विकीपीडिया से कॉपी क्यों किया? डिड आई आस्क यू टू नॉट कॉपी? एक सेंटेंस नहीं बनता है तुम लोग से खुद से. वेरी बैड. आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विद दिस. नॉमिनेट. Hope you have not copied it. Second. Okay. Nominate. Hmm. Okay. Nominate. Hmm? 10 completed. Are you sure? Okay, so two which I had reserved. Mosmi, you share please. Okay. Second. Okay, not an issue. Please share. Let her speak first. Impatient people. Next, I would like to nominate Adarsh. Adarsh, did you make sentence? Last day you were not present, I believe. Sentence बना है आपका? No. I would like to nominate Ayush. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Gives witness about the topic which he starts. Okay. Okay. So two 12, all 12s are clear. Is there any other homework which I have given? This only? Yes. Tongue twister. Have we practiced it? Okay. Do you have the tongue twister with you? Well, I have to open it. Shall I open it? Okay, let's do it then. Wait. We close the notes. How to cut it? Do you know? Import. Not we have to remove it, then we have to import again. Okay, let's do one thing, everybody. We will practice the. Are you okay? We'll practice the tongue twister at the end of the class. Okay. 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 So last day, what did we learn? Can somebody recap it? Recap. Can somebody do recap of the stuff which we have learned last day? About asking question, how to ask which question answer which, like which questions will answer which answers, right? You will ask from when, what will be the answer? Time. If you ask the question starting from where, then what will be the answer? How, then a process, method, or state, right? Or other things, right? What? Yes. Object, action, or any other information, right? Why? A reason, right? Good. And if what are close-ended questions? Okay. Okay, a close-ended question starts from which words? Auxiliary verb, right? Like, mm-hmm. Should, may, can, could, does. Yes. Some auxiliary verb, everybody, not every auxiliary verb. Like might. Okay, we don't start questions from might. Okay. Always remember, we don't start questions from might. Okay. Should. Should also, we don't start question from should. Okay. Are you getting? Yeah, shall we can start. Okay. Shall we can start the question, but some auxiliary verb we cannot start the questions. Right? Getting? Okay. What is open-ended question? The question we ask from WH family, which has an explanation, right? And close-ended question, one or two answer, right? One word or two. Yes or no? Either yes or no, or maybe. Don't know. Okay. So these are, which kind of questions are these? Close-ended, open-ended. What are open-ended questions? Or which has an explanation, right? Or which can lead to other question. When is your birthday? My birthday is on this day. Okay. How do you celebrate your birthday? I celebrate like this. Right? Where do you celebrate? I celebrate at cafe or restaurant or somewhere. Why do you celebrate? Because it's my birthday. I celebrate it. Okay? Yes. Everybody, when we ask question, we ask question, some question incorrect. Like this. Do we ask now? Done. Are these question? No. Gone. We are, suppose you are in your home and there are some unwanted guests came and you hid yourself in your room, right? You ask every time to your mother, gone. You know, they are still here. Okay, I'll come after. You ask frequently, gone, gone. This is wrong. You can ask, are they gone? Right? Always, we often ask the question in incorrect way. So today we will fix that. Okay? Understood, everyone? Done. Do we ask? Done. Sometimes I also ask, which is wrong. Okay? We will always ask, have you done the work? Okay? Is it done? That is the correct formation. But only done if you are asking, that is not a question. That is incorrect. Are you getting? Yes. Did I ask you people to not sit there? You have to shuffle. But you shuffle there only. Why? Oh, here. Really? Okay. But still, you people shuffle there only. Why don't you come here, this side, this side? Apart from this bench, each and every bench will shuffle. Getting? What? What did you say? Just say it again. I heard something. Say it again. What did he say? Others? You must heard it. You don't heard. I'm asking last time. Tell me. Others? Aman? Please say what did he said that time? What was he saying about? He said something else, right? Sit on the first bench. Who is asking you to not sit? Sunday do I take class? Then what will you do on sitting on the first bench? Okay. So these are incorrect, everybody. Understood? We should not use one word questions because there is no question in the world which can be asked in a one word. Okay? Not a single question you can ask in one word. It has a proper grammatical structure which we must follow. Yes. Yeah. So why is this still a question? But apart from that, can we use any word? Done, gone. Are these question tags? No, na. But we ask it, gone. Yes, gone. You answer also, right? So it should not be happening, right? You should not ask one word questions because they are not questions. Getting? Happened. Happened. What happened, right? Done. Are you done with the work or have you done? Is it done? You can ask one question in multiple ways, right? Okay. See these questions. What your name? Correct or incorrect? When you come to class, what will be the correct formation of this? What is your name, right? What is your name? Yeah. When are you come to class? When do you come to class? It is the question of simple present tense. When are you coming to the class is a question of present continuous, right? So what will be the correct answer? When do you, right? When come to class. This one is correct, right? Yeah, question mark. Sorry, forgot. Question mark is very important for a question. Understanding? See, we will decode some more things about questions, right? Open-ended question, I think we have still discussed. Hope if somebody will ask you what is open-ended question, you will be able to answer. Let's check from a single person. Arav, please stand up. What is open-ended question? WH, like? Give me an example of open-ended question. Uh, to teach you people, yeah, the correct question for me can be why were you late in the class today? Because I entered late, right? And sir asked me also why were you late? Okay. I was late in a misconception. I thought something is happening inside. That's why I waited there, right? Okay. Second close-ended question. Who would like to explain it? Okay. And can you give me example question? Will you go to the party? So answer will be yes or no or maybe, right? Yes. Fine. Please sit down. Did we understand close-ended question? Have you done your breakfast? See, yes, no, right? Now everybody, ICQs. What is this? This is something new, right? What is ICQs? Let me help you a bit. I'm writing the detailed form. Okay. I've helped you by, writing the derivation of it. Now you have to decode it and tell me. Hmm? Last bench? Why? See, instruction ICQs means instructions checking question. Suppose everybody, what? When I speak, what do you supposed to do? Are you doing? Suppose I have given you task. Okay? I have said, okay, student, please complete this task. Sitting next with the partner, discuss with your partner, complete this task. You have 5 minutes. Once you are done with the task, say bingo. Okay? Now, I will ask you, okay, what are the things we have to do? So, you are sharing that, ma'am, we have to complete that task with the help with after discussing with our partner. We have how much time? 5 minutes, right? And we have to say bingo. So this was instruction checking question. I instructed you to do something. Did you understand the instructions well or not? I have to check it. How can I check? I can ask ICQs. I given you the instruction that now I will ask you, what have I said? You answer me. You answered that, ma'am. First we have to discuss with our partner. Then we have to write in the copy. Once then we'll say bingo. And we have only how many minutes? 5 minutes only in our hand to complete this task. These questions are ICQs and your answers are confirming that you have understood my instructions well, carefully, right? If suppose there is these two boys are talking and I'm instructing something. I asked him, okay, what did I say? He is not able to share. That means he is not listening actively. Okay, so ICQs are very important. And I will ask ICQs frequently, everybody. You can also ask. Suppose there is a boy who loves cooking. Okay, and he is teaching his friend कि अब पानी डालना है, उसके बाद 2 मिनट बाद उसमें नमक डालना है. Now he will ask, okay, क्या करना है बताओ. If he answered correctly, then he understood it well. If not, then he did not understood. He has to explain again. ठीक है, ICQs इसलिए पूछे जाते हैं ताकि ये समझा जा सके कि आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए गए आपको सही से समझ में आए हैं या नहीं. वरना आपको बनाना था आम, आपने बना दिया. तो ICQs always good option. Okay, if you are giving the instructions. Understood? Can we move to CCQs? If CCQs are very important. CCQs are concept checking questions. You suppose I explained something. Now I will ask some questions from that which I explained. Like I told you na, open-ended questions. So I can ask, okay, can we start an open-ended question with is? Can we start? No. If you say no, then yes, your concept is clear. Right? Because open-ended question we cannot start with is. Is an auxiliary verb. Okay, and it will give you a yes or no answer, right? That is why CCQ is also important. Okay, you give us concept and you ask, form a small question and ask. Okay, I taught you noun and I asked, is Sham G proper noun or common noun? That means you understood the concept very clearly. Whatever I taught you, you form a small question, a chunk question and ask. If they are answering correctly, that means their concept is clear. No, then you have to explain again. Understood? What are CCQs? What are ICQs? ICQs are for instructions. You instructed, You have to make sure whether they have understand it well or not. You will ask it again. CCQs, you explained something and you are asking chunks of question. Okay, उसमें से एक कॉन्सेप्ट निकाल निकाल के आप छोटा छोटा पूछ रहे हो. That is CCQ. ठीक है. ICQ is also very important. CCQ is also very important. Getting? Today also we will discuss your read theory progress. How many of you have logged in read theory? Who has helped you, Mosmi? Have you joined the class? Has she joined the class? Good. Okay, good. Hope you thanked them. Good. Okay. Is there somebody जिनका read theory नहीं बना है? सबका बन गया है? नहीं बना है? First class? Is it your first class? Second class? नहीं बना है? Are you fine, Abhijit? Please help them to make. Hope you have the class code. चलो ठीक है. Your also read theory is not there. Today, please help them to make their read theory. Aman, you help Ankit. Abhijit, you help these two. And Gaurav, you help these two. Okay? You please, after the class, wait for some time and he will help you. Hope you have the class code. Okay. Okay. Art of forming correct question. जब भी आप कोई क्वेश्चन पूछते हो वो बिल्कुल सही फॉर्म किया होना चाहिए. ठीक है. जैसे आपको पूछना है किसी से अबाउट हेल्थ, यू कैन आस्क हाउ आर यू, हाउ इज योर हेल्थ, आर यू फाइन. ठीक है. ये बिल्कुल करेक्ट होना चाहिए, ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट. तो जब भी आप WH फैमिली से क्वेश्चन बनाते हो ना तो उसके बाद एक वर्ब जरूर लगेगा, ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. ठीक है. जैसे एक व्हाट का लेते हैं, व्हाट है. ठीक है. इससे मुझे क्वेश्चन फॉर्म करना है. कैसे करेंगे बताओ? व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, राइट. देखो आर लगा इसके बाद में, उसके बाद व्हाट के बाद फिर इज, हटाओ, इज लगा, उसके बाद डू. ठीक है. सिंपल टेंस वाले जो क्वेश्चन होंगे लाइक आई ईट, somebody can ask ना व्हाट डू यू ईट, तो उसमें व्हाट के बाद क्या लगाओगे? ये मतलब व्हाट यू ईट बहुत गलत है. व्हाट यू ईट इज रॉन्ग और इनकरेक्ट, राइट. यू कैन आस्क व्हाट डू यू ईट. पास्ट टेंस के सेंटेंस बनाने हैं तो व्हाट वर यू ईटिंग. ठीक है. फ्यूचर टेंस के सेंटेंस बनेंगे तो कैसे? व्हाट विल यू ईट. ठीक है. और अगर कुछ बोलना है, मतलब जैसे आपको बोला कि आपको ये जरूर खाना चाहिए, एंड यू आर आस्किंग ICQ व्हाट शुड यू मस्ट ईट. तो शुड भी क्या है? ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है, राइट. व्हाट शुड यू मस्ट ईट और व्हाट मस्ट बी ईटन. ठीक है. व्हाट के बाद हमेशा एक ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब आएगा ही आएगा. डू या मस्ट, इज, आर, एम. व्हाट एम आई डूइंग, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. ठीक है. तो दिस क्वेश्चन आई आस्क फॉर माई सेल्फ ओनली. तो अगेन दिस क्वेश्चन विल ऑल्सो बी फॉलोड बाय एम, ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. ठीक है. हमेशा याद रखना ये. ऑल द क्वेश्चन टैग्स विल बी फॉलोड बाय अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब, ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. ठीक है. कभी भी ये नहीं होगा व्हाट योर नेम, बहुत गलत. वेयर यू लिव, व्हाट इज द करेक्ट? वेयर डू यू लिव. वेयर शैल वी मीट, हम लोग कब मिल सकते हैं और कब मिलेंगे. ओके. वेयर कैन वी प्ले. कैन क्या है? एक हेल्पिंग वर्ब है. और कैन के बारे में लोग पढ़ा ना, कैन कांट. वेयर कैन वी प्ले, व्हाट कैन वी ईट. ओके. वेयर शैल वी गो. तो हमेशा क्वेश्चन टैग के बाद एक आता है आपका हेल्पिंग वर्ड. तो वो करेक्ट फॉर्मेशन है. ठीक है. कभी भी क्वेश्चन वन वर्ड में नहीं पूछना है, डन, गॉन, हैपेंड, नहीं. पूरा फॉर्म करना है. लेकिन एक एक्सेप्शन है यहाँ पे, वहां पे देखो व्हाट हैपेंड, तो व्हाट के बाद वहां कुछ नहीं आता है. हैपेंड क्या हुआ. ठीक है. व्हाट हैपेंड. और ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो व्हाट डिड हैपन. ठीक है. व्हाट डिड हैपन. ठीक है. ये भी करेक्ट है. बट एक एक्सेप्शन है कि हम लोग डिड ऐसे यूज नहीं करते हैं इसको. व्हाट डिड हैपन ये भी करेक्ट है, लेकिन इसको काट दो, यहाँ पे ईडी लगा दो. ठीक है, ये एक्सेप्शन है बस. ठीक है. व्हाट डिड यू डू, कोई पास्ट टेंस का सेंटेंस होता है ना. व्हाट डिड यू डू, वेयर डिड यू प्ले. ठीक है. ठीक है, लेकिन बस ये एक एक्सेप्शन है, व्हाट हैपेंड. ठीक है. करेक्ट ये भी हो सकता है, व्हाट डिड हैपन. ठीक है. जैसे मैंने बताया, हर WH टैग के साथ एक वर्ब लगेगा, हेल्पिंग वर्ब. डिड इज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब, बट यहाँ पे कुछ ग्रामेरियन से कुछ की, यहाँ पे डिड को हटा के डायरेक्ट हैपन लिख दिया. ठीक है. दिस इज ओनली एक्सेप्शन. अंडरस्टैंडिंग. दिस इज द आर्ट ऑफ करेक्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर्मेशन. क्वेश्चन, whatever question you will ask, make sure it is correctly, structured. लिख रहे हो तो always a question will end with a question mark. open ended, close ended तो पता है ना कैसे होता है. ठीक है. चलो let's do an exercise, shall we? Let's see कितने अच्छे questions आप पूछ सकते हो. ठीक है. Now you don't have to answer, you have to form question. This is the class is all about. ठीक है. आज आपको सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस बनाने हैं. तो देखो, ये पैसेज है, ये पैसेज पढ़ो और इसमें आपको आंसर्स नहीं देने हैं, आपको 5 क्वेश्चन प्रिपेयर करने हैं. ठीक है. कि जिसमें इस सॉरी आपको 5 ऐसे क्वेश्चन प्रिपेयर करने हैं जिसका आंसर ये पैसेज में मिल जाए. ठीक है. रेडी. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. हाँ, जिसका आंसर पैसेज में हो, मतलब अब उसका क्वेश्चन बनाने के लिए वी हैव टू रीड द पैसेज. अंडरस्टूड. समझ में क्या कर रहे हैं. रौनक प्लीज रिपीट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. हाँ, we have to ask, right? Is it clear, everybody? Hope the instructions are clear to one and all. Do it. Read it first. Hope सबको नजर आ रहा है दूर तक. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay, okay. There are some people who are still writing. Let's wait for them. Let's wait for 2 more minutes. Then we will take your responses. I'll take 8 responses for this. Oops. Sorry. 8 responses. Okay. 8 from your end. 2 I'll reserve. 10 total. Okay. You done? Is done? Done? Hope it is done for everyone. No? 1 more minute. Is it done? Shall we take the responses? Okay. Who would like to share first? Raise your hands. Yes. Mm-hmm. When do or when does? When does, right? When does Lata's father get back to home? Okay. Second, what is the color of Lata's? Okay. Eyes of Lata's father. That's view which you shared. That is correct. How do I? How do Lata? How does Lata? Right? We have learned this, Abhijit. Fifth, we. Where do Lata and her father go on Sunday? Correct. Please nominate. Nominate him. What is? Okay. What is great? What is great for Lata? Right? It can be more specific. Nominate that last bencher. What's your name? Come here. Sit here. Hmm. Share. What is the color of Lata's father's eye? Or eyes of Lata's father. Okay. Third. Second. Where do you live, Lata's sister? I'm not Lata's sister. Where does Lata's sister live? Okay. देखो this, see, that is why we are asking. We are not able to form correct questions. Okay. Third. What is great for Lata? That is correct. Who makes breakfast for Lata? Who do make breakfast for Lata? That is also correct. Makes also it's correct. Okay. Next. What is the age of Lata? So Lata is 10 years old. Okay, good. Please nominate. Ashu, louder. Who make food in my home? Who does make food in Lata's home? Who does? Okay. What is your father's name, Lata? You're not asking from Lata, you're asking somebody else about Lata. Who is Lata's father? Or what is the name of Lata's father? Third, what is your father? My father. What is or what does Lata's father do? Next, next. My. Sit down, nominate. Incorrect. Correct the questions. Nominate. Prince. Who is Prince? Okay. Yes. What is your? Oh, where does Lata live? You will have to ask these questions from this passage about somebody else. लता से आप ये क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ रहे हो, आप किसी और से लता के बारे में पूछ रहे हो. क्या पूछेंगे? How will we ask? Where does Lata live? हाँ. Second, what is Lata doing or what does Lata do? लता क्या करती है, क्या कर रही है, क्या है क्वेश्चन? क्या होगा इसका इंग्लिश? What does Lata do? Next, how are old Lata? हाँ. How old is Lata or what is Lata's age? Or how old Lata is? That can be also. How old Lata is? That is also correct. Everyone, in some cases we can skip, we can replace the auxiliary verb. ठीक है, कुछ cases में. ठीक है, जैसे ये वाला केस, how old Lata is, तो उसमें is कहाँ है? लास्ट में है. ठीक है, इससे बेटर क्वेश्चन हो सकता है, how no, what is the age of Lata? ठीक है, next, only this much. Nominate. I would like to nominate. Sit down. What is Lata's age? Very good. What is her father do? Mm-mm. What does her father do? That's correct. What does correct? What does Lata's family do in? Correct. On which day Lata's family go to? Good. Good. Nominate Shivam. Please keep a count how many people have shared the response. Yes. Shivam. When they are watch TV or when do they watch TV? Correct it. Who helps Lata to make food? Next. Where are, where do they live? Where are they living? That is also correct. Why do they live? Where do they live? Where do, is it answered here? Yes, they live in England. Next. Correct. Good. Correct. Nominate. Hmm. What is or who is? Okay, he asked a question. What is the main character of this passage? Karan, what is happening? Sit straight. It should be who is the main character of this passage. There's a person, right? There's not a thing. Second, why does Lata say that it is great living with my, it is great living with my day? Because she feels good, right? These questions are inference based questions he formed. Third, who helps Lata's father? Or it can be who does help. That is also correct. Next, how old is he? Uh, how old is he? Sorry. Next, what is the age of Lata? So Lata is 10 years old. Okay. Okay. Nominate. How many nominations have we done? 7. Last. Nominate. Yes. Uh-huh. Share please. How old is Lata? Or how many years old is Lata? Correct. Six. When does Lata's dad get up? Correct. Where do we go? We go to on Sunday. Where does Lata go on Sunday? Okay. Where does Lata live? Where does Lata live, boys? Lata lives in. Who does make food in Lata house? Lata's house. Lata's father makes food in Lata's house. Good. Nice questions. Okay. Navneet, you share. Oh, you have. You share. Hmm. Where does Lata live, everybody? Lives in London. England, sorry. What is the name of Lata's father? Correct. What is the eye color of Lata's father? Correct. What does Lata's father? What does Lata's father love? Correct. What does he love? He loves music, right? Lata is Ankit. You share, please. Thank you, Ronak. Hmm. Correct. Correct. Why does Lata live with her father? Can we get the answer of this question in this passage? Hmm. This, this question is formed correctly, but this answer we are not getting here. Okay. Make sure that ask such question which your people can answer, right? Third, what does Lata do in evening? Not doing. Next, when Lata gets home. Again, when does Lata get home? Okay. Okay. 5 are done. Gaurav, you ask the questions. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh, how old is Lata? Okay. With whom does Lata live? Correct. What is the name of Lata? What is the name of Lata's father? One word answer. Mr. Paul. Is it written? Yeah. Okay, next. What is the age of Lata's father? Okay, Lata's 46 years old. Okay, next. Wrong answer question. What does Lata do on Sundays or weekends? Okay, is it done? Correct. Have you corrected? Yes. Ayush, you please answer. Question ask. Welcome. How can I turn off this fan? Yes, you can. Wait. Please turn off. Wait. Yes. How old Lata is? Oh, how old is Lata? Okay. With whom? With whom does Lata live in England? Next. What is the profession of Lata's father? So why are you going short form? What is asked? When? When does Lata watch? Next. Hmm. Done? Oh, sorry, everybody. Is it done? Okay, Sudha. Very good. Where does Lata live? Where does Lata live? Lata lives in what work Lata father does? Or what does Lata father do? That is also correct. Or what is the age of Lata father? Or uh, how old is Lata's father? Don't ask how many years. It is does not make a lot sense. How old is Lata's father? That's it. Why are you smiling? What is the color of Lata's father's hair? Or hair of Lata? Everybody, please avoid using apostrophe two times. Lata's father's hair. No. Color of Lata's. No, no. Don't use apostrophe twice. Lata's father's. Color. Hair color of Lata's father. One time apostrophe. Okay. These things are confusing sometimes. Last response from. You cannot force me to nominate him. Abhijit, you have shared? Have you? You nominate somebody. What is happening in the? He will choose. He has his free will. Do not suggest. Yes. Or how many? Cut many in age question. How old is Lata? That's it. How does Lat? How does? What is Lata's father occupation? Correct. Next. What is the name of Lata's father? Next. What is the hair color of Lata's father? Correct. What is the age of? He is 46 years old. Right? 46 years old. What? Lata's father. Abhinav, two questions. You have to share two questions. Abhinav, two questions. Welcome. What does her father do? Correct. Push. Who gets up? Who gets up? Answer. Okay. When or when does it? There are two things, na? So we will use do. When do Lata and his dad go to cinema? Okay. Uh, Navneet, you share two questions. Mm-hmm. Uh, it can be what is the occupation? What is this cut does? Everybody, hope we understood how to make questions from the given passage. Okay, those many of the questions were incorrect, but I believe you learnt it. Okay, make sure the uses of does and is. Okay, doing. What is Lata's father doing? Is it correct question? No. This sentence is in simple tense. So your question should be also in the simple tense. Okay. So what does Lata father do? Okay. Suppose this passage would be in the past tense. Your question should also be in the past tense. When did they wake up? Did. What did he do? Okay. Where did he live? Or where did he live? Okay. Understanding? Okay. One more exercise, everybody. In okay. There are statements you have to form questions. One example is given, and you have to. Which is your favorite ice cream flavor? So I like vanilla ice cream. Answers are given. You have to form questions. Make it giving you 2 minutes. Quickly. Aman. Thank you. Who said mango? Good. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. 10 people have done it. Rest are still 11, 12, 13. 13 are done. Thank you, Aman. Next time I'll send somebody else. Thank you for this act of kindness. Okay, let's wait for him. 13 people have done. What about others? 14, 15. Shyamji, how many times you will say bingo? Haven't you said it 2 times? 15. How many students are there in the classroom? Is there somebody who is absent as well? Who? Who are they? One is that girl, Rudakshi. Second, Amit is here only. There is somebody, right? Okay. Have you made? Aman, you want extra time? Okay, I'll listen to Amit first because he has done it first. Yes, Amit. Yeah. 6 responses, everybody. 6 only. Yes.
Where is my shirt?
Mm-hmm.
Who shouted at you?
Mm-hmm.
What is the name of your school?
Mm-hmm.
When will she come home?
Mm-hmm.
How many apples do you have?
Or how many apples do you have? Right? Correct. Please nominate
I would like to nominate Dish.
Amit. Uh-huh. What about the third one? Shooted? Who shouted at Radha? But Radha did not shouted. Who shouted at me? Or to whom Radha shouted? Radha shouted at me. Fourth? Uh-huh. When will she come, everybody? It should be when will she come? Okay, next. How many apples do you have? Okay. Nilesh, nominate. Is he your best friend? Either you nominate him or him. Share. Louder. Sit down and share. Save your energy. Don't waste. Did you thank him? Uh, uh. What is your favorite flavor ice cream? It is written. Why did you mate? Who shouted at me? Radha. Second? Third? Sorry. What is your school's name, right? Or what is the name of your school, everybody? See, huh. When she come home. Is it correct? When she come home? Soon. Okay. So is it done? Please write down the word of the day and reach our progress. We'll share next day. Okay. Because we have delayed, na? Because next class sir is waiting, right? The word abscond. Abscond. Okay. Abscond means to escape. Escape is a synonym. Okay. To run away. Okay. To go somewhere else. That is escape. Understanding? Did we understand how to form questions, everyone? Okay. What is the next class today?